for joy. And if you think your mind made up, I'm about to show you the boy. Cause I was made for soul rocking it. And me and my crew, we both rocking it. And if you think that your songs are good, I'ma take the songs and put a sock in it. Cause I'm bad. Hey. And that's what I call the aggressive style. 2019, where that to run. Oh yeah, baby. To the state of Zen, me and my crew, we carried away. You can't catch me, cause I'm a part of the band. The aggressor came out here to play 1999. He came here to play. Didn't come here for winning, didn't come here for joy. Me and my crew came here to be bad, because you know we're down with the boys. And we were made for soul rocking it. And me and my crew, we're both blocking it. And if you think you got the soul, I'ma take your soul and put a sock in it, cause I'm bad. Cause that's what I call the aggressive style. 2019, where that? Come on. Run as fast as you can. Me and my crew, we came in to win. You can't catch me if you're not playing, baby. The aggressors came in to win 2019. Me and my crew, we came in to win. The aggressors. Wow, there you have it. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so excited to present to you the launch of my first album, Mike Powell and the Aggressors. It is indeed me, Mr. Mike Powell. How dare I release an album as if I'm somebody famous. I'm nobody famous. I'm just an ordinary guy from around the neighborhood here in Mangere 275. I have been in music for a little while. I've done nothing really substantial, but I'm quite proud of the work that I have done with my past musical friends from lots of different bands. Do Re Mi, 2020, Mana, the boys from the 12 Tribes of Israel, Semi MCs, even down to Adija, and also to my boys Jam or Jam. So I am Mr. Mike Powell here, aka Mr. Mikaira Po, and I'm the E Tūwhānau worker for Te Korowai Aroha o Aotearoa. And I'm bringing you this movement of positive change called E Tūwhānau, as you see these banners behind me, because this album was actually just put in place because I just wanted to do an album to reach people in real hard areas to reach, and hopefully this music gets to your cars. Hopefully you'll enjoy this, you'll listen to this music and take away from it some of the messages that are encoded and encrypted within the songs. And I've got 5 songs. The song that you just heard is the song called Mike Powell and the Aggressors. That song's called The Aggressors, and it talks about my band, The Aggressors. And The Aggressors, our style is really about just taking that aggressive approach to music. You know, mistakes, whatever, don't have a fear. It's just more about the jam, the spirit, and the flow. And just talking about flow, I've got a song here today called Flow. I'm going to play that song for you soon, but I don't know what's up next. I'm just excited to be here launching this album. I'm also going to take you through the whānauchannel.com. The whānauchannel.com is the hub of activity that is housed in my website. thefanochannel.com, but it's also where you can buy information, you can access content, training, resources, t-shirts, anything. It's a shop online, but it's also it's got a lot of free items in there that you can use to help lead positive change within your family. And this is why I prepared the Whānau Channel. I finally, for once in my life, I'll just give you a little glimpse of what the Whānau Channel is. And that's it there. That's the front gate of the Whānau Channel. We'll have a look at it real shortly when we get around to the time. So, but right about now, let's just head over to this next item. I'm not too sure what it is, but I'll just let the music take you there. As the night is falling, I'm so happy. The atmosphere is different here. Earlier on, we were just launching these music videos. So like I said, I've got 5 music videos. You can buy this album officially today on all online stores. Spotify, Napster, Tidal, iTunes, you name it, you can go there. This album is on sale today, $9.95. It was on sale yesterday for $6.99. It was a special price. And hopefully you can support the album, you can enjoy this album, but more importantly, you can access thefanochannel.com to get information and resources that can help you lead positive change with your own family. Isn't that cool? Check out this next song. Kia ora. This song is called Flow. I guess when I wrote this song, what I was thinking about is the relationship between two lovers, and that I can understand in relationships it can be quite intense at times, but really what I think works out in a relationship is the fact that if two couples are willing to let it flow in terms of your egos, and to lower your ego and to be more about your spirit and your feelings and emotions to one another, like a river, you should just let it flow. On the album Mike Powell and the Aggressors, this song is sung by my nephew Brandon Temu, and I'm going to sing it today as part of my album launch. And this is my version of the song Flow.
The thing about a river is that it flows. It flows towards you. Let it flow.
Wow, I'm just let it flow. What can I say? It's hope you enjoyed it. I mean, how dare I launch that song as if I'm some kind of sex symbol? But I'm not. I'm just like I said, just an average Joe blog from around the street, and I'm just trying to reach. Hopefully, that song does it for you. That the woman that you're with, or the man that you're with, or even if it's same-sex relationships. Hey, whānau, that's what's important, man. And I just want to keep promoting. It's time to stand, to make a stand for what's right. And that's why I'm putting these songs out there. This album launch is only about launching 5 songs. There's 13 tracks on this album. And, I wanted this to do something different. I'm not about trying to be a famous superstar or anything. I'm just trying to get my message out there. I came out here in my shorts, my favorite African shirt, and just the cap. Just really ordinary. I know a lot of people do. There's not much I can do in a lockdown. So anyway, let me just quickly take you through thewhanauchannel.com. Here we go. Let me talk to you people. Thewhanauchannel.com. What is that all about? And let me just quickly just get in here. So thewhanauchannel.com. So welcome to thewhanauchannel.com. I'll just go to the front page here. So thewhanauchannel.com, this is the front gate as you come into thewhanauchannel.com. I'm still building it. There's a picture of my family there. And then down the bottom, E Tu Whānau is a movement for positive change developed by Māori for Māori. It's about taking responsibility and action in your community and supporting whānau to thrive. Okay, so more importantly, thewhanauchannel.com, all you got to do is put whanauchannel.com into your search engine and it will take you immediately to thewhanauchannel.com. Just while we're launching this song. So the other thing is, if I can just share with you, in there you can access, I've chucked in a couple of instrumentals, Your Greatest Fear and Positive Vibration. These are 2 songs that I'm going to be doing live for you today. Okay, but also if you click here, this is the store, kahukura there, that word kahukura that I'm highlighting with my mouse. The store for family violence practitioners. I've been trying to raise and train and nurture family violence practitioners that are with their own families. And these are some of the resources and the collateral that I've been using. Don't be fooled by the fact that it's got $2 on all these. That's just for postage and handling. But the cards and all these resources are absolutely free. You can also go to E Tu Whānau website page. And they have people in Wellington that are prepared to mail you the stuff if you want to go directly to them. I've mainly just put this together on this hub. And so you got the pens there, the posters, so that practitioners that are working directly with me within the Northland and the South Auckland, wider Auckland region, and also Franklin are able to get stuff directly from me. So this website's not only going to be, you're not only going to be able to access these resources, but it also, if you click over here to the free store, there's nothing in there at the moment, but I'm going to fill it up with anything that's free in Tamaki Makaurau in the Northland region. So that includes things like food hampers, etc., whatever. And then so Studio 275, you can see my album there. It's for sale. And also t-shirts for Studio 275, The Lions Roar, and Whānau Channel. And also my friend Tony Masters, his show that we promoted is also on the website. That's called The Nos Hit Show. You can watch all the series of The Nos Hit Show. Hopefully the episodes come up. Well, they haven't quite come up yet. But those episodes are available on The Nos Hit Show. There they are. So it's got all 10 episodes that we filmed all across the country. Tony Masters. And this is his show called The Nos Hit Show. And Tony was one of our leaders. He's now navigating on the Wakahourua out there in around the Wakahourua, the traditional navigating wakas. And he's been out there with some of the navigators learning the craft of navigating. So there's a lot of stuff in Indigenous learning. But right about now, let's get back to what we come here for. Let's get back into another song. Sorry for talking too much. And I want to just play the next song. So let's just go there. Okay, kia ora everyone. This song's called Positive Vibration. I wrote this song because I wanted people to dance, really, especially couples, especially families, and it takes me back to the 90s, to some of the dance moves like Redhead Kingpin, sort of Mr. Bobby Brown, believe it or not, and some of those MC Hammers moves. And the 90s was full of those kind of dance moves, and this is the genre of music takes me back to that kind of R&B that I grew up on, that hip hop that I grew up on here in Auckland City, and some of the cool DJs in town. One of my favorite DJs, Rob Salmon, and then later on, of course, people like Sam Hill, Mr. Andy Van, and then some of my brothers heading out to the Duke of Wellington, started listening to some of the Pacific Island brothers and Māori DJs that were playing and pumping out this genre of music. And this is my rendition of Positive Vibration from the album Mike Powell and the Aggressors. Here we go. And the world begins to learn of all the indigenous learning. Free your mind from burning. Well, this energy that I'm about, I did all my learning out in the South. 275 is the neighborhood that I represent. And all the Māoris know that I'm from the north, where people like me can't stand to talk. We shoot first and we let our actions lead to war. Positive vibration. All for the indigenous learning. Free your mind. Well, all the people know that I'm from the north, and the people like me can't stand to talk. Cause you know that I go freestyle, and everybody knows that I get on down. What you wanna get yourself up to then? All we know to do. Positive vibration. The indigenous learning. Free your mind from burning. What you do today is not as important. Then what you remember about the day. Come on, when the people move in positive vibration, and the world begins to learn. When the people move in positive vibration, we begin to learn the indigenous learning of the mighty way of the ancient peoples of the world. In Samoa, in Tonga, Bring me back down to earth. Bring me back down to earth. Oh wow, cool. Wow. Positive vibration. Yeah. Honestly, it's really hard to play guitar and do that at the same time, but talking about positive vibration, talking about wanting to get people dancing, I thought I'd take the time to just go back and I did speak about the Nos It show. It's something I'm very proud of, my bro Tony Masters, for the idea of the Nos It and things that make you say Nos It. So I wanted just to do a little bit of talking about dancing, you see. I want to play a snapshot of Tony's show called the Nos It Show, and just broadcast live a snapshot of the dance battle, because me and Tony always have these dance battles. Anyway, here's one of those dance battles that we had back in those days. Have you got to be honest, okay? Yeah. One, two. Oh, Tony, who started last week?
I did.
So I'll start. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I started last week. Three, two, one,
See if we can talk to you guys.
Oh yeah. Well, that was wonderful. See what dancing can do, man. Dancing can really change the vibe, man. Anyway, that's oh, so I switched that off. Far out. That was a little bit of a I'm not going to keep you much longer. We've got two more songs to show you. I'm just going to go directly to those songs. Hope you've been enjoying the launch of the Mike Powell and the Aggressors album. I've just spent such a long time working on this album. This album has just been sitting there. And, you know, I love dancing. I just wanted to showcase a little snapshot of my life, and that you don't need to be stuck in this rut of violence. And you can actually live a really good life through just creating and focusing on positive energy and positive things. The more good things that you talk about and, you know, get yourself away from all that negative stuff, man, you're just going to have an awesome life. And I can't wait to see you flourish. I can't wait to see you become what you want to become, to aspire to your dreams and to make that happen for you and your family. Check out the next song. 2 Kia ora everybody. What can I say about this song, Your Greatest Fear? It's the poem by Marianne Williamson. And she wrote a poem called Your Greatest Fear. And it talks about sometimes our greatest fear is just how really awesome we are. And ever since I heard this poem for the first time, it's really transformed my life. Because, you know, as human beings, especially for being Pacific Island and being us Māori, we're very, used to this culture of just not, looking at our greatness. We're kind of just accepting of our mediocre and just that we're average. But actually, our whakapapa, our genealogy tells us that we have come from an actual race of navigators, a race of articulate, astronomical achievers. And, we didn't just turn up here to Aotearoa. We actually discovered this place. And I'm just really proud to be Pacific Island Māori. I'm proud to be a New Zealand Māori. And through that greatness, I wrote this song because I wanted to break that notion that we're mediocre. We're actually awesome. He kāka no he rui a mai rangi ātea, koena taku whakapapa. And so that's the song that I've written. It's called Your Greatest Fear. Your greatest fear. Oh, everybody wants to do their thing. Do their thing. Keep the body rocking to the break of day and make sure everything's alright. Everybody wants to do their thing. Keep the body rocking to the break of day and make sure everything's alright. Make sure that it's good for you. Stop taking drugs that are bad for you. Live glorious like you told us to, and everything shall be alright. So come on and magnify that attitude. Live glorious in your days to come. Stop fucking around and start to run. Get back on your feet and get up and run. Come on, do that thing. Do that thing. I wanna do that thing. Make sure everything's alright. Everybody wanna come do that thing. Do that thing. Do that thing. Keep the body rocking to the break of day and make sure everything's alright. Who are you not to think that you are wonderful? You are a child of God. You are more than what people tell you and that what you've accepted. Actually, your greatest fear is actually how awesome you can actually be. And I hope this song dispels all the illusions about you thinking that you are downtrodden, that you're a nobody, because you're somebody. That thing, do that thing, keep the body rocking to the break of day and make sure everything's alright. Everybody wanna come and do that thing, do that thing, do that thing. Keep the body rocking to the break of day and make sure everything's alright. You are greater than anything that you have even imagined. And whoever gives you that attitude about you're not worth it, that's not right. That's a violation of you. And I know very soon you're about to change that attitude. It's about waking up to your awesomeness and living in your life. Because everything that you do was always made to you, was always given to you. Everything's going to be alright. It's about you claiming that destiny because your presence automatically liberates you. Well, there you have it, the song, Your Greatest Fear. Your greatest fear indeed. is only yourself. Your greatest fear is that you are more afraid of your light than you are of your darkness. Too long, you've been in this rut. It's time to lift yourself. It's time to come out into the light and to see your light for what it truly is. Awesome. Do not be afraid, brothers and sisters, but accept the journey that you were always meant to have. Success, vibrancy, awesomeness, blessings, a new house, land, happiness, joy. You don't need to live in this bubble of hate and anger and violence. You can lift yourself through this positive vibration, as it has been spoken through many prophets, through many leaders, through many generations, for thousands of years. These truths and these messages are things that we have always had in our culture. Mana, tapu, wairua, whakapapa, tikanga, tapu. These are part of the 6 imperatives that we teach within Te Korowai Aroha o Aotearoa. Wairua. It's all around us. This is a sacredness that we have as a people. We have known these things. It's time for you to capture it and to grab it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, anybody out there that has heard this album and that is prepared to support this album and to support and tautoko the messaging and the journey of yourself. I put this together because I believe that you are the person that's going to lead the future of our people. Though we are in lockdown, what a more beautiful time than to prepare ourselves for the future that is coming. The lockdown and this whole COVID-19 experience should make us more resilient. It is now time for us to utilize the tools that our ancestors have given us. I give the challenge to you to take up, to accept, to go to the E Tūwhānau website page and to look at the E Tūwhānau Charter of Commitment. I challenge everybody out there to make a commitment to positive change and to stand up against violence towards women and children is not a part of our culture. Yes, and I'm pointing at you. You are the one that needs to change. Violence and transgressions of any sort is not a part of our culture. It's not traditional, and we should not accept the life. You should not accept the life that you are living today and be satisfied. Free yourself. Someone out there, free yourself today. I'm Mike Powell, and this is my album, Mike Powell and the Aggressors, 16th of April 2020. I consider it officially launched. Thank you so much. Enjoy the last song of this show, the official launch, of course, Mike Powell and the Aggressors official launch here on the 16th of April. I farewell you all. Thank you so much, whānau, for the opportunity to be here. This is my last song, Pontaby Road. It's a song dedicated to all Pontaby people, all Central Auckland people. Though I have been out here in 275 Mangere, and I've been in West Auckland 836, and I've been over the shore as well, I would like everyone to know that Pontaby is my manawa, and so is Ahipara. Taku maunga o whakatauatia, taku maunga o rangitoto. These mountains have been protected me, but this song, Pontaby Road, getting to the point. I'm just excited because I'm finally finished. I'm excited because I can finally just sign off and give it to you guys. See you guys later. Mike Powell, signing off. Officially launched. Get out there, buy it at Spotify, buy it at Tidal, buy it at iTunes, etc. You know what to do. You're a champ. Thank you, people. Ka kite. Hi, kia ora again, everyone. Well, this is my song I wrote in honor of the area that I grew up in, Pontaby. And it's a song that talks about the continuity, the vibrancy of Pontaby Road. As you know, Pontaby Road, when I grew up, a very different place to what Pontaby Road is today. But for whatever Pontaby Road is, it's a fantastic place. It's always been that arty-farty, very diverse communities, diverse relationships, diverse peoples. And being a person that grew up in Ponsonby, I'm very proud of that part of my genealogy, my whakapapa. And so this is my song, Ponsonby Road. Yeah, come on. Ponsonby is the place you and me can get a plan. You will find celebrities and somebody that looks like me. Down in Ponsonby Road, you'll find them at Ponsonby. You can find, you can get on Dutton Street, Norfolk Street, Lincoln Street, Vermont Street, Summer Street, O'Neill Street, Dole Street. Down on Ponsonby Road. Douglas Street, Norfolk Street, Lincoln Street, that's my street, Vermont Street. Hey, on Ponsonby Road, you can get on down Ponsonby Road. Come on down to Ponsonby. You will find celebrities, you will find models, you will find all sorts of people from all walks of life on Ponsonby Road.